Yeah, we're gonna open it just as soon as Mommy says that we're ready.
I think we're ready.
Is it on?
I think so. It says it's recording. Cameron, can you say hi, Grammy and Pop-Up?
No!
You have. Hey.
Hi, Grammy and Papa.
Can you say thank you for my present?
Thank you for my present.
Why are you so sad?
Thank you for my present.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a polar bear. Daddy, do you think it's a polar bear?
I think it might be a polar bear.
It's a tall thing.
It is.
It's a brown and tall and big.
Hang on. Stay back.
Does Mommy need to move to the other side so you can actually see his face?
Yeah. Let's come over here, Mommy. Alright, well, wait. Just wait. Wait for Mommy.
You don't listen very well, do you?
What's that?
What's on that piece of paper?
Wait, let's get this out first. Oh. That's
Holy moly! What in the world is in there?
I think get this out.
What is it?
Get this
Wait.
out.
right. First off, what's this one?
I'm placing my bathtub.
You want to play with that in your bathtub? Is that Bulstrode?
Yes.
Look, chicks.
Aww. Those are really cute.
Here, grab those.
Get the chicks.
Where's the chicks?
What are those? Are those baby chicks?
Yes.
Grammy calls them chicklets.
Ooh,
An
you got a
Elmo
scarf.
scarf. And a deer scarf.
Just in time for spring.
Be nice.
I want to. What is this?
You have to wait. What's Daddy got?
But there are bunnies in the Easter egg.
What's that?
Cameron,
Let me see.
Cameron, that's Daddy's Easter basket.
Wait, show Mommy. What is it? Oh, Daddy, hold it up. Look, he's got a pirate shirt.
It's a pie shirt.
It's a pirate shirt.
Hey, what's that?
It's a pirate plate.
Oh, you don't like pirate plates,
And what's
do you?
that?
Yeah.
Cam, what's these? Oh, look who's on that one. Oh, and a sweatshirt. You got a fleecy.
This.
Grammy apparently likes orange. What's that?
Car. What's this big?
Wait a minute. What's this? What is it? What's it look like?
What is that? Is that a...
Is it a puzzle?
No.
Yeah. That's a puzzle.
Oh.
There's
Wait a
more
minute.
chicks in there. There's more baby chicks, Daddy.
There are.
Come rhyme with me. That looks like a fun book.
Oh, that's it.
No.
No, this is for Mommy.
No.
That's it. All done.
What
No.
is...
No.
Wait a minute, that's right. You got a card.
And this. How about this?
Wait, let's see. Wait. Oh, wait. Here's another car. Is there anything else in there, Mommy?
Oh, I don't know. I think there's nothing else. That's it.
Yep. All done. We'll take this away.
No. What's it? No.
What does that look like?
Help him.
Oh. No.
What is that?
Turn around this. Turn around. Cameron, turn around. Turn around. Face Mommy.
Cheese.
What is that?
What's it look like?
A pirate sailboat. A pirate.
But who's on the pirate sailboat? Cameron, who's on that pirate sailboat? Who's on the pirate sailboat?
He's trying to figure it out. What is that? Can you show mommy?
Oh, it's only at Target.
Hidden treasure and 2 levels of play.
Wait a minute,
Wow.
is that Thomas carrying a treasure chest?
Thomas has a treasure chest?
Alright, we gotta get it out for you, but can you look at the camera? Wait. We'll open it, but look at the camera. Who got that for you?
Whoa! See, the ship got doors.
It
It's got doors?
And a treasure.
What's the pirate say? Cameron, what's the pirate say? That's a snake.
It's a
There go the hands.
it's
Alright, hey,
I drop an anchor.
you are. Alright, look at it.
I could drop the anchor. Walk to quick and get the anchor. And get the treasure and get pirate.
What do the pirates sing?
Yo ho, pirate to me. This pirate says, yo ho, a pirate to me. Hey, Thomas will go through this pirate.
Yeah, do you want Daddy to open it for you?
Let me see the weapon.
Wow, that looks really cool.
It's a boat.
Yeah, do you know who got you that?
Yeah.
Who?
Who got that for you? Who sent you the box?
This.
Who sent you the box, Cameron? Can you say thank you?
This is so cool.
Can you say thank you, Grandma and Pop Pop?
Thank you, Mommy and Papa.
Wait,
Can you look at the camera and say it so they can see you? Say thank you.
Thank you.
No, wait, look at the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Thank you.
Who did you say thank you to?
I think that's as good as we're going to get.
Thank you, Mommy and Papa.
Can you say I love you?
Love you. See? See?
Do you like it?
The golden anchor. To drop it.
Wait.
You have to go through the pirate.
Do you like it?
You have to go through the pirate.
I think this is so cool. Answers that question.
You can open these doors and you can show on water and you can get the treasure. We gotta drop the anchor and get the treasure.
Does it look like Bucky?
Huh?
Does it look like Bucky?
Yeah.
What does the pirate say again?
Yo ho, hi, wait to me.
No, wait. What does he say? Not what does he sing. What's the pirate say?
What's he say? What's the captain say to the crew members? Swap the deck.
This is a boat. It goes. This goes.
I think there might be train tracks inside the boat.
Train tracks inside the boat.
Yeah, look at the picture on the side of the box. Is there one on that side?
I don't know. No, that's
It's on the other side.
Here, it's over here. All right, here you can take a look there.
Wow.
You see what that does?
There's some. To get the treasure, we have to go through here
Me too.
and get the treasure.
What do you think's in the treasure?
Look, Bulstrode has a canoe too.
Where?
Right there. See? He's like, I don't want the canoe, I want the pirate ship.
All right, we're going to say bye now. Say bye-bye.
I want to play with this.
I know you do. What's Magic's words?
Please.
All right, we'll open it. Thank you, Grammy and Papa.
This, I like this. I can't wait to play with Fred. See, I got train tracks in the pirate ship. I got train tracks in the pirate ship to open the doors.
Alright, is this the one I opened first?
We gotta open the doors. We gotta open the pirate ship doors to get the treasure.
Okay, it's open.
No, I don't want this.
Alright, well, hang on. Let's open this one.
Wow, we know what ones. Why would you do that?
Oh, he already has this one.
I want
Which one is it?
this.
Yeah,
I
he
want
does.
this. We gotta go through the pirate ship go dark. Hey.
Alright. Let Daddy start opening it.
Open.
Say, wait, bye-bye.
Bye.